Hi, soulmates, welcome to class. So, this is a quick one. For us to make this free gown, I folded my fabric in a 90-degree form, in a flare form, but 90 degree. You can see that it's not so wide. I folded this 90 degree into four places, first into two and then into two again. We know how to do 90-degree flare, okay? So, I don't want to go into it. This is just from the tip of the fabric, fold into two, and then I multiplied it again and fold into two. So from the lower part, which is the widest part, I took the actual length of the gown that I want. Now on that, I'm going to take my shoulder line, right where my measurement stops at the top. I'm going to take my shoulder line. Now on this shoulder line, I want to take the measurement from the up to make sure that it gives me an equal line. I don't just want to mark it straight because I might not be getting a straight line. So I had to take the measurement from the tip at the top to get an accurate line. Okay, so I'll use my ruler to make it more straight, to be more accurate. Now once I have that, I'm going to divide my shoulder into two and then I'll mark it on that line, right? Now from there, I'm going to drop the shoulder down by 1 inch. 1.5 is better because I later removed another half an inch. Okay, so drop it down by 1.5 inch. Now from there, I'm going to take my armhole depth. The armhole depth is usually gotten by bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Okay, now for the neck depth, I took 4 inches. 3.5 would have been okay because I think this 4 inches was too big. 4 by 4 inches. I should have done 3.5 by 3.5. Even though it does not have a slit, it will still be okay. Or 3 by 4. 4 for the width and 3.5 for the depth. I hope we understand. Okay, so now I'm going to connect to my neckline depth, neck width to neck depth, and then take to my shoulder slant. Okay, the major work is happening at the upper part, the lower part is just there, right? So I'll confirm my shoulder measurement so I can get it on a straight line. Then from there, I'll also mark it. This is at the armhole depth, okay? So I can curve my shoulder line. You can see that this line is not straight as you're looking at it, right? Because of the flare, but don't panic, mark it the way it is, okay? Mark it the way it is looking slanted. This is a flare, not a straight um gown, so it really does not matter. Take your measurement where it stops. All right, so I'll have to use the tape to confirm my actual length of the gown and make sure that it is quite accurate and well curved at the hemline, right? If it is not, I'll have to curve it, and that's the essence. I'm using this tape to cross check to be sure that it's accurately curved. Okay, so once I have that accurate curving, even though I took the measurement from the lower part, I will have to remark it and then I'll go over and start cutting. This gown is quite easy and simple to make for all persons, even though you're just starting to sew clothes. Once you know what is 90-degree flare, you're good to go. You can also do a 180, but because my fabric is not that much, I think this 90 is just okay, right? Now, the fact that it is 90 does not mean that it will just be divided into two. Okay, I actually divided into four because I folded it into four, but the folding pattern is a 90-degree folding pattern. I hope this makes sense, and this is what we have. So once you open it up and join shoulders and add your sleeve and join the sides, you are quite good to go. Okay, you're quite, like I said before, I'm going to reduce the shoulder drop down by half an inch again. So I said use 1.5 inch instead of 1 inch. I hope this makes sense to you who is watching at this point. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And this is the outcome of what we have. Thank you so much for watching.